I want to show you the exact demo of the Qport platform, its capability, seamless integration with mobile, web, and cloud applications. So as you can see, we are replicating a scenario where a surveyor logs into mobile application, and once he logged in, surveyor maps the dedicated route that is assigned to him. In this case, he's feeding the route name and he starts the route. So as they travel during the route, they can add notes, they can add photos, videos during the survey process. You can observe how accurately the data is synced with the server. The data mapping and precision is quite high in this case, and at the same time, the user can feed the data on the go. The server continues feeding the data in real time. In this example, we have used a mix of terrain. Currently, the server is going into a highway, then followed by highway, the surveyor will go into narrow roads, and then he will go into the muddy tracks, replicating a realistic field scenario. Once the route is completed, all captured data is automatically uploaded to the Qport cloud, where it is integrated directly with the dashboard. After the route is completed and synced, the server will make the edits. So in this case, the server is selecting from the dashboard a selected route that he has traveled previously, and he is making edits and adding new annotations. In this case, he is adding the missed information that he didn't add it during the survey. He is adding images as an example. Then he recalls that there is one of the annotation that extra information is needed. He's adding extra information and extra images to make it more richer in terms of the route survey he has done. Now, once this is just the edit part of it, and he can export that report out of it. Now, once this is completed, we will showcase how he can merge two different routes once he has surveyed. Now, in this feature, we are showing how he will add two different routes. We are selecting one route from the route library, and as you can see, there is route 1, there is route 2, and there is a gap in between. That based on the radius and the proximity, we merged two different routes. We name two different routes, and it will become one route with all the annotations and the information that we have. As you can see, this has combined and become a new route with similar annotations that was present in route 1 and route 2, and he can similarly extract the report altogether. Now, moving on to the next feature, that is the split feature. There are times when the route surveyor has done a big survey, he want to only have some special chunks. So he select two different points in that route, and the R tool application breaks the route in that way. We can then now you rename the route, and once you rename the route, you save the route. It would have the same information, same annotations, same photos, that information it was present earlier. And yes, and in the exact same format, you can edit, merge it, and export the route altogether as shown previously. So this is the main route operation capability in the Qport dashboard. Now we are moving on to the the executive dashboard. Here you can see all the informations regarding how an executive data will see. In this case, you can see what are the top 10 routes that are being followed, what is the daily active users, what kind of annotations are being feeded, are there more notes, more photos, who is the top server, which route is taken more often, what is the distribution of the route survey on day or a month, or similarly, what is the cargo distribution that order, who is the top server. So that high level descriptions you get through the business data and our business our executive dashboard. Now we are replicating based on the route that is assigned to the driver through the dashboard to his app. The driver is following the route that is assigned to him. In this case, he will receive the audio messages during his route travel, turn left and right, and he's following that. Similarly, he goes to the same route, same terrain as per the instruction, following the same thing. All things are popping up on his phone, and yeah, he comes to the end of it. This replicates the whole life cycle of the route coming and covering. Now moving on to the next is the task feature. This is basically to help do the project coordination much better, breaking the task into some smaller chunks, avoiding manual errors in this case, and ensuring there is adherence. There is no chaos what used to happen previously. Everything is coordinated through this. Server will get notification on his app. Similarly, navigation user will have that notification on his app. Now we are adding at the end the how to add a user into this and assign based on their assigned role and management access in the Qport platform and the mobile application altogether. So that's basically the capability of the Qport. And thank you for your time and interest in exploring Qport. Thanks for this. Bye bye.